Hey everybody, Mr. Harbison here with Harbison's Homes. Today we're gonna do something a little bit unique. I'm actually I'm troubleshooting. So we had to replace the positioning of the strike plates for our front door entrance. Here are the new strike plates. Here were the old ones. Our finished carpenter did a great job. However, we want to clean this up and make it look good. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to utilize some spackle, and then I'm going to finish it with some wood putty. Never done this before, so I'll circle back and tell you how it turns out. All right, today's the day. We had to use the spackle, wood putty, do some sanding, come back, do a little bit more, but here's the finished product. Worked out actually really well. I'm pretty happy with this as it being a used home, and this saved from replacing the entire door casing. So probably saved $1,500 if not more, depending on ended up coming in and setting the trim work. All right, guys, remember, it's not what you do, but how you do it with quality. See you on the next one.